Hi, this is my 45 centimeter nano tank. This has been running past 8 months, but there were no plants actually. There were no anubias actually in this. I just added anubias today, and I just cleaned everything, the sand, the sand part, the glass, and everything. I'm just expecting the anubias to grow into a very thick bush around this area, and I have few Java fern, green gnome. They are dwarf Java ferns, and almost like surviving bolbitis huedelotii. It was in a very bad state, somehow recovering now. Yeah, that's it. I hope tank will do good in the next couple of weeks. Yeah, I'll keep on updating regularly from now on. And thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. I'll be updating I'll be uploading, sorry. I'll be uploading many updates regarding this tank, and as well as few more terrariums and few quite very rare exotic plants I'm very fond of, especially ferns and mosses and the selaginellas, sonarellas, much more. Yeah, thank you.